Alright, so we got bank right now. I feel like playing CCTV is the easiest, but this is not CCTV. Pretty good too. Whoa, my teammates are doing everything.
One op 4 remaining.
I didn't even do anything.
A few moments later.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
I don't even know how we won that round. That was way too easy.
10 seconds.
Alright, so this is what I like to do when I play bank and CCTV, right? Basement. You put camera there.
Op 4 has yet to
Put
locate a
this
bomb.
here. Now we just open the cam and we just wait for someone to come. Here they can come from. Throw a grenade, we're dead.
Op 4 found a bomb. You must defend it.
That's diffuser.
C4 out! Detonating. Changing mags.
If she tries to destroy, I can easily kill her. They can come in and try to destroy, but nothing's gonna work. Oh, she's throwing a grenade. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had a Jaeger. I had a defense system there. I
You
forgot.
stupid!
All of them are here.
Bruh.
Oh, I just died. Shouldn't have done that. The best operator play in office, in bank. Let's play vigil, cause they can't easily go inside.
Bruh.
Op 4
Bruh.
diffuser near a bomb. Destroy it. Diffuser located. Disable it. The operator remaining. One op 4 remaining.
Woo! Look at that clutch, man. That was the greatest clutch I've ever seen.
Friendly destroy the diffuser. Mission success.
Bro, that was so good. I clutched the whole thing. I told you, we're just gonna come in clutch.
Bomb's location and defuse it.
Alright, we clutched the third round. And we win this now.
Adrenaline surge incoming.
You have dropped the diffuser.
Bruh.
There's someone here.
Seconds. 10 seconds. Four last stop standing. 5 seconds.
Oh no, I lost it. Shit. I shouldn't have done that. He was down. Okay, I know Capcan and Thorn are right. From here. Hey yo, you scared shit out of me.
You have dropped the diffuser. You have located a bomb. The diffuser has been recovered.
A really big fucking hole coming right up.
Guessing there's someone there. Born is dead, so. There's definitely someone in here.
One op 4 remaining.
Oh, bruh, we won that. I didn't even
Op
do
4
anything.
eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
I didn't even do anything and we won. I guess that's good enough.